Pieces of a shabby chic decor to use all around the house. A shabby chic design often includes a variety of decorative elements and ornamental features. Slipcovers patchwork. White patchwork or pastel slipcovers over larger living room furniture pieces and a coffee table create charming shabby chic styles in the living area. Rustic details. For example, basket pots, rustic wood trays, hardwood floors, stylish vintage details. White wood dining room table. Slipcovers are part of and parcel of any shabby chic style room and can quickly transform existing furniture. Creamy kitchen tones. Look how pretty! Soft, pale color tones mixed with dreamy, almost ethereal whites create a perfect shabby chic kitchen palette. Topiaries and shutters. The shutters are part of the decoration of old houses that, together with the topiaries in pots, are another way to bring the outside inside. Vintage lantern centerpieces. There are many styles of vintage lanterns. Just follow your style and you will find the most suitable to have the shabby chic style. Chic Bathroom. A romantic and charming bathroom. Decorate your shabby chic powder room in style with the right accessories, towels, tiles, flowers, baskets. Framed wall mirrors. Another way to repurpose windows and shutters in the bedroom. Creamy bedroom tones. Unifying the spaces in the interior decoration is very easy if you already have a style in mind. Wooden trays and fresh florals. Simple details that can help to identify the style. Shabby chic accent wall. Subtle shabby chic touches mixed with glamorous elements, example white frame lamp nightstands, produce a perfect relaxing balance. White wicker chairs. Welcome to your ideal decorating style.